AI isn't just changing your job, it's changing how you see yourself. Welcome to the Fearless Stress Lab. I'm Dr. Rebecca Heiss, and here we unpack experiments to figure out exactly what stress is, what it's doing in our bodies, and how to begin using it on purpose. There's a new layer of stress emerging in high performers, and it's not about workload, it's about identity. Early research from the Academy of Management suggests that AI tools are triggering increased impostor feelings, especially in knowledge workers. Why? Because for the first time, tasks that used to define your expertise can now be done by something else. Here's what that looks like. Maybe you've spent years becoming the person, the go-to, who writes the strategy, builds the deck, solves the problem, and now a tool can do at least part of that in seconds. So your brain starts asking, what's my value now? Am I actually that good? Was I ever? That's not just stress, that's identity threat. So here's the reframe. Remember, that value was never in the task itself, but rather in how you think, how you connect, how you decide, how you lead. AI doesn't replace that. It amplifies the need for using your knowledge in a strategic manner and allows for a partnership. Because this isn't the end of expertise, it's the evolution of it.